Hi guys, how is everyone doing today? I hope you're all well. I hope your day is going well. Here in the car just waiting for my husband to come. We've just been to the shop to buy a few essentials for the house. I hope you're all well. Just wanted to tell you that I had some news which was not very good. So I thought I should share it with you. I don't know if you people heard about the cyclone in Zimbabwe. Are there any people from Zimbabwe watching? There was a cyclone on Wednesday, the 7th of this month, last week. Unfortunately, this cyclone, it affected the rural home of my husband, where his parents, the house belonged to the parents. There's a bit of sun there. Yeah, the house belonged to the parents, but we are now caretaking this place. So this place, there was a terrible cyclone and it blew the roof of the whole house away. The whole house lost its roof. We had a few people to go and check it out to see the structure, and luckily enough the structure is not bad, but the roof, the whole roof is gone. But the house is only the structure which was on the other end. I think it's the eastern end of the house, the wall which was damaged. But other than that, the house is okay. But the roof, we have to replace it. So at the moment the whole house is abandoned, and yeah, we've got some few rooms outside where the people on the ground are staying now, but the house had to be abandoned, and we had to get people to, there are people who helped us to move the property, some of the property which was in this house, to stop it from getting further damaged by the rain in case it rains again. So some people helped us move the furniture or property to another place for safekeeping. But at the moment, that's the situation. The house is not livable. We can't live in it now. We have to make sure we repair it, which will take time. We don't know when, but we just thank God no one was hurt. No animals or no person ended up being injured by these strong winds. I heard the fence also around the house was damaged, but those things can always be replaced. Although it's something you would not have budgeted for, and there are so many other things that need to be taken care of. So when something like that comes on, it's like it adds on to the long list of things you have to do to make your life livable. So anyway, yeah, I thought I let you know about that as my subscribers. You share the good and the bad news, and I hope one time, with God's help, we'll be able to fix that roof and be able to live in that house again. Alright, so that's what I had to tell you today about what happened. I don't know how many people were affected by this tragedy of these strong winds, but it seems the wind was strategically targeting certain areas. You know, the path is always a straight path, so that house that happened to be in the same path as the wind, so that's why it ended up feeling the wrath of the wind by having all the roof blown off. Yeah, so that's the situation. Anyway, life is like that. What do? It goes on. All you have to do is to trust in God and do our best to make things work. Yeah, there was some property in the house, and to prevent it getting damaged by more rains, we are able to transfer this property to another place. Yeah, we thank God for the well-wishers who helped us transport this property so that it could be kept safe in case more rain comes or more damage takes place. So at the moment, no one is living in the house now. It's been abandoned. Yeah. But luckily enough, there are some outside buildings where people can live at the moment. So that's where the people on the ground are now living, in the outside buildings. A few rooms, yeah. So that's it. Share, subscribe, comment, and like. And by the way, guys, I'd forgotten this. Thank you for the 1,000 subscribers. I feel so humbled for you believing in me, for you listening to me, for you liking what I present to you, because if you didn't like it, you would not have subscribed. So I feel so honored, and I'm very, very grateful to you all, my subscribers. Let's continue to grow the channel together. Alright guys, let me go now. Take care. I'm going to show you some of the images of the damage. I'll show you the property now. The images, different images of it.